Because if you can save that 10%, that's a lot of money, right? So good point, Diffio. Thank you for that. Justin says, I think it's valuable to know where they are at, whether you present that or not, or whether you. I think you meant to say whether you present that or not. Well, Justin, the good thing is that we found that via our process, right? This is an example of it. Gemini said, no, that debris estimate is too high. I don't like your reference to construct elements. We use exactimate and we think it should be lower. So Grok corrected itself. It took $10,000 off that, right? Right? So here, this is Grok's correction. Recognizing the site assessment, I lowered the estimate of 30,000, and now it is citing exactimate. That's great. That's great, right? Excuse me. It also adjusted the contingency. The contingency was previously 15%. Now it's just 10%. Excuse me. So now the final estimate changed a little bit. So we're right there, right? And again, spoiler alert, my parents did not have $1.2 million worth of coverage. You know, the number is much less than that, but it's still more than what the insurance company is willing to do right now. So now you can see here, Grok has added Exactimate and Marshall and Swift to its references. So the plan worked, the framework worked, right? The Gemini said, okay, well, have you considered these references? Oh, this number was a little too high. And Grok went and corrected itself. Diffio says, nicely done. Yeah. Credit to all the engines, right? Well, maybe not ChatGPT. ChatGPT kind of gave a little bit of a funky answer, right? But yeah, I mean, credit to Grok for coming up with a nicely worded memo. Credit to Gemini for being able to intake and understand, right? Because there's a lot of natural language understanding, NLU, happening in that scenario. It gave a reply. It gave a valid reply using completely new citations, right? And Grok adjusted. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So we've reached our goal, right? The goal is that we now have a more refined memo. And that's why I'm proposing this. Because now we can say, hey, we have a consensus between Gemini and Grok.